Hello everyone, myself Kagni Vishnu and today's topic of daily task video is the digestive system. So in human body we know that there are 11 systems are present. From the 11 this is one of these, the digestive system. It is the most important system which helps in food digestion. So let's discuss about the digestive system. So firstly we see what is the digestive system. So digestive system is nothing but the group of organs or tissue that work together. Now we see what are the main functions of digestive system. Basically there are four main work of the digestive system. First one is ingestion. Means food enters into the mouth. After that digestion means food get breakdown of the food into the stomach or other part. Third one is absorption, means absorption of proteins, carbohydrates, enzymes, etc. These are the third main work of digestive system. And fourth one is elimination, means to eliminate the wastage food that we have eaten or to eliminate from our body. This is known as elimination of the food. So these four are main basic work of the digestive system. Now we see types of digestive system. So first, basically these are two types of digestive system. First one is alimentary canal, means we also known as gastrointestinal tract, and second one is secretory glands. Other that accessory organs is also include in the digestive systems. Accessive organs means which do not participate in the food digestion system but they help in the food digestion. This is known as accessory organs. Example, liver, gallbladder, or etc. So we discuss after alimentary canal and main part of digestive system. So first we see alimentary canal or gastrointestinal tract. So let's discuss what are the part of the gastrointestinal tract. So first part is the mouth. After that larynx. Third one is esophagus. After that stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum or anus. So these are the main parts of the digestive system. So let's discuss every part in detail. First part is the mouth. So all we know, mouth includes teeth, tongue, palate, or vestibules. So these are the part of mouth. Now teeth help in to break the foods, break the hard foods. And after that tongue helps in produce saliva and helps in swallowing, or tongue is responsible for the detection of taste. After that vestibule, it is gap between the gums and cheeks. This is known as vestibules. And palate means roof of the mouth. So these are the part of mouth. And function of mouth is to get the food into esophagus or into the larynx. Second part is larynx. So larynx is pharynx. After the mouth, pharynx is the second part of digestive system. Pharynx is funnel shaped muscular tissue which helps to get the food into the esophagus. After the pharynx, esophagus. In the esophagus, food enters from the pharynx to the stomach with the help of peristalsis movement. And it is we also call to the esophagus is a food pipe. After that, food enters into the stomach they in the stomach food gets breakdown. After that food enters into the small intestine, after that large intestine, and after the large intestine food get into the rectum, and after waste product is get excreted through the anus. So these are the all system, these are the all parts in the digestive system. I hope all of you understand the digestive system. Thank you so much.